Hello friends, today here in this full video we will learn how to create and use smart stack widgets on iOS 14. This widget is work on how you use your iPhone. This will let your iPhone which app to show. Now let's begin. First of all, tap and hold for a while on blank space at the home screen. Next, here tap on plus icon at the right top corner. Now scrolling down in this pop-up and tap on smart stack. Now from here, select widget size which you want to add in your home screen. Then tap on add widget. So now here you can see that widget is set on home screen. If you want to add another size of widget, then simply repeat the process and tap on smart stack. Now from here, you can select the size which you want to add on your home screen. Swipe left to see. And finally here, you can see that another widget is well set on home screen. So that's how looking widgets on home screen. You can swipe up and down on stack widget to scroll through the app widgets. So that's how you can create and use smart stack widget on iPhone. I hope this method will helpful to you. Thank you so much.